On today's adventure, we are checking out my grocery haul for this week. Let's see what I got. First off, I will be reviewing this at some point. It is a Diet Coke with lime. Sounds interesting. Reach in. Little bit of luxuriness for me. I've got deli sliced oven roasted top round Angus roast beef. Yum yum. I've got, to go with the roast beef, I've got some cheese. I've got some pepper jack cheese. Look at that, discounted. Let's go. $2.25 for this. Normally like $5. I have, for a snack, I will be eating some celery with peanut butter. Very tasty. I have a spicy roast beef sandwich, for a quick meal. Maybe lunch today, maybe lunch tomorrow, who knows. I have, spicy Italian style pinwheels. Yum. I have, what is this called? It's called Unwell Hydration, 80 cents. Strawberry flavor, I got one of these. And I've got a second one, 80 cents. Perfect for pre-hike hydration. And to go with the hikes, I have caramel lime twist. Looks like cashews. Got one of these, 90 cents. That was more than that drink. And I have a second one, very cool. And to go with the roast beef and the cheese, I got sandwich making stuff. This was probably the most expensive thing I bought today. This was $5. Oof. $5 for that. And last but not least, because I'm a healthy little bitch, I got myself a delicious salad. So recap, I got a fried chicken salad. That actually might be lunch today. That sounds really darn good for now. I've got they call it hamburger fixins, but I'm using it for a nice roast beef sandwich. I've got celery bites, perfect to go with peanut butter. I've got these Karma wrapped pistachios, perfect for hiking. Heck yeah. I've got the spicy Italian style pinwheels. These things are so good. Discounted? Heck yeah. I think the normal price is like $5. I'm like, get out of here for that. This is normally, I think, $6 or $7 for this spicy roast beef pre-made sandwich. See, I got, of course, the pepper jack cheese to go with the roast beef. Heck yeah. I've got the Unwell Strawberry Rapid Hydration drink. Actually, I might drink one right now. I'm super thirsty, feel dehydrated. And for me to review with you guys very soon, I got the Diet Coke with lime, limited edition. Heck yeah. All this cost, I think this is the right receipt. I will tell you in a second. Yep. $33.71. If that was not discounted, if none of this stuff was discounted, it would have been probably at least $50. But yep, there's my haul for the week at the grocery store. Tell me what you guys think. What should I have gotten? What should I have left? And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Bye.